G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to show to you the different Vitamix commercial models that are available in Australia. So on this side we have our Vitamix beverage blenders, and on this side we have our Vitamix food preparation blenders. I'm going to start with the beverage blenders. So these are the blenders you want to buy if you're looking to make smoothies, milkshakes, any sort of beverages for your cafe or restaurant or juice bar. So I'm going to start with the most affordable Vitamix commercial model. This is the Vitamix 2-speed. Basically, it's just got 2 speeds, very simple. It's got an on-off switch. The Drink Machine 2-speed is 2 horsepower. Comes with this square 1.4 litre container with a wet blade assembly. You can also purchase an ice blade assembly if you prefer, which is designed specifically for icy drinks. The wet blade is more of a multi-purpose blade. Next we have the Drink Machine Advance. This is a very popular unit for cafes and bars. The Drink Machine Advance is 2 horsepower. It comes with an Advance Vitamix jug. So this jug is going to get the ingredients blending more easily than the square jug. With commercial Vitamix blenders, you typically don't use a tamper to help process the ingredients. You want to get the right consistency of liquid to frozen ingredients in here, so it's going to get blending on its own to make the perfect smoothie. On the control panel of the Drink Machine Advance, we have an on-off switch, a pulse button, and we also have 6 program settings. So these 6 timer settings are preset, you can't customize them at all. Next we have our best-selling Vitamix commercial model. This is Vitamix the Quiet One. This is the model used in literally thousands and thousands of commercial outlets worldwide. That's because the Vitamix Quiet One is 3 horsepower, super powerful, and it has this sound cover. So you can basically have a conversation with your customer while this machine is blending. These other Vitamix models are going to make a bit of noise while you're serving your customers. So the Quiet One comes with an advanced jug, the same as the Drink Machine Advance. So the Quiet One has this beautiful display. You can use manual settings, or you can also program it with 34 optimized settings. So I'll show you the display here. You can increase the speed from 30% right up to 100%. So out of the 34 optimized settings, you can program your favorite into these 6 buttons on the front of the machine. For example, I'll hit 6. You can see it's going to start off slow, and then it's automatically going to ramp up in speed to a higher setting. You can see you can still have a conversation with your customers while the machine is running. Then after the time, it'll automatically switch off. And you can also customize your own timer and speed settings. To view the 34 programmable settings, please click the link in the description below. So over here we have the Vitamix beverage blenders. So these blenders are designed for back of house. They're all-round blenders capable of smoothies, soups, ice creams, nut butters, all sorts of different recipes you can make in them. Okay, so the Vitamix Vita-Prep 3, this is 3 horsepower. This is the most trusted blender by chefs worldwide. You're going to find it in a lot of commercial kitchens back of house. It's really simple to use. It's got a variable 1 to 10 speed. It's got a pulse button and also an on-off switch. You can see this is a lot noisier than the Vitamix Quiet One. The Vita-Prep 3 comes with a tall 2-litre container. It's a really versatile container to use, and you also get a tamper stick, which is a processing tool to help with blending. Next we have the Vitamix XL. This thing is massive. It is 4.2 horsepower. It comes with a 5.6 litre jug. That is a lot of smoothie. So this unit is ideal for big production, for nursing homes, for hospitals, for chefs, schools, whatever it might be, where you want to make a lot of litres. I've actually got a video, you can look at it. Click the link in the description below of me making the world's biggest green smoothie. Now this jug To get it to the same smooth consistency as the Vita-Prep 3, you need to run it for a bit longer. So for a smooth green smoothie, I'd probably have to run it for about 2 to 3 minutes as opposed to 1 minute. That's due to this massive surface area that blade has to cover to make it nice and smooth. So on the Vitamix XL, we have a 1 to 10 variable speed, we have a pulse button and an on and off switch. Very simple controls. So all Vitamix commercial blenders in Australia include a 3-year warranty on the motor and 1 year on parts and labor. They're really tough machines. They're definitely going to be able to handle ice and frozen fruits. If you want to make acai bowls, we recommend using the Vita-Prep 3 as opposed to the Beverage blenders, because you need to use a tamper processing tool to effectively make acai bowls in the Vitamix. So if you want to find out some more information about Vitamix commercial blenders, or if you need to purchase one, please head on over to our website at rawblend.com.au and you're going to find everything you need. We also offer the most competitive pricing in Australia. So if you've got any questions, hit us up in the comments below, but otherwise, happy blending.